Hi, in this Blender tutorial, I'll demonstrate you that how we can create a easy camera shutter. To do that, I'm just selecting all and press delete. Now press Shift A and add a circle. Go to the top view by pressing 7 on the numpad. Zoom in a little and press Tab to enter the edit mode. Press E to extrude it and S a little. Scale a little. Now select the faces till here. Now press Shift D and then press P and then choose selection. Okay, we have two different objects now. To see it clearly, I'm just changing the material to random color so I can see it clearly. Now this is gonna be our shutter. To change its origin point here to here, select that edge, press Shift S, then cursor to select it. Okay, now go to the object, set origin and origin to 3D cursor. Now we can see that if we rotate it, our shutter is working. Now we have to make 7 duplicates of this object to make it work. So if you go to the calculator and press 360 divided by 7, it comes 51.42. Now make sure you press Alt D then and make your cursor on the center of the origin, press dot and then change 3D cursor. So when you rotate it, it rotated along the center of the object. Okay, now press R 51.42 and we have to repeat that process with Alt D R 51.42 and again Alt D R 51.42, Alt D R 51.42, Alt D R 51.42 until it becomes 7. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and now again R 51.42. Okay, now I'm just make this bigger circle unselectable by pressing that and by going dot select individual origin. Now if I press R, you can see my shutter is kind of working, but it is not that kind of good. Now select my first circle and press cursor to selected, so my cursor become here and go to the front view, go to the tab R and just rotate it slightly like that, so my objects are overlapping each other like that. So here this is working. Okay, now select it and make the bigger circle a thickness like that, so we can have a pretty good vision of it and make it high. Okay, now go to the GZ. Okay, now select all and press RX 180, sorry, dot median point RX 180. Okay, make it this circle unselectable, and if you press dot and individual origin like R, just like that, so we can treat this weird effect. Now select this and go to the vertex select mode, select this vertex, press O to and just move it slightly little and if you can select this and O G slightly underneath. Okay, now my shutter is almost ready. Now if you can see that part is coming out, just select that, press GG twice and make it inside that object. Now select all and you can have that. You can, if you choose, you have to, you can use this. So but now I'm just scaling it back, rotating back. Now press Shift C to make a cursor on the center, Shift A, add a empty. In this case I'm gonna use a sphere empty. Okay, now I'm hide it, and if you wish you can have a solidify modifier over it like that, but I'm not gonna do this for tutorial sake. Just select the single shutter like that and add a constraint to, I want to add a copy rotation constraint. Select the empty, change replace to add. Make sure your target object in world space and it is in a local space. Now when you rotate it, it will rotate along it. So we have to repeat that process for all the shutters. Copy rotation, empty, add, local space. Copy rotation, empty, add, local space. Copy rotation, empty, add, local space. Copy rotation, copy rotation, copy rotation, empty, add, local space. Okay, now we can check it if we didn't. Okay, so now if we rotate this, we can have our shutter working. Okay, to make it stop on a certain point, we can just have to add another constraint on that empty. Just add and limit rotation, select the Z value, and maximum you can first have to rotate it and check it here. Rotate it like that, so my object is not overlapping each other. It's 43. Okay, Control Z, minimum 0 and maximum is 43.5. Whatever your is, I don't know. So Alt H. Now you can see that my shutter is working like that, and it's pretty much rigged. So that's for all. My name is Harish Lohar. Thank you very much.